certificate, but they should not be allowed, even when they come to Goa, or test negative, especially in these areas where slum areas are concerned. If they stay there, and supposing after 8 days or 9 days they become positive, so that is the problem. So that is where government needs to take precaution. How we are going to stop them from coming and directly staying in those houses, in the slum areas. See what has happened in Mungur Hill. Somebody has brought it over there, and now it is spreading.
No, but
so this is the matter of concern.
No, but when you talk about negative certificate, so what is the process you feel that the health department should do? Even negative certificate, Astana, they should recheck.
No. Testing चालू था. टेस्ट 100% जावपाक जाय आमच्या बॉर्डरीचेर. पण आता कितके लोक भितर सरतले ह्या दिसांनी तेजेर how many we can test. But the demand of the cabinet in the last cabinet is that every person who comes to Goa should be tested, which is going on right now.
Okay, second issue is the CM issue.
The fort issues were there, it is solved. We want the fortification wall to be restored. And they wanted the locals should not pass from there. That is a traditional access. We have already told Archaeological Survey of India that no local should be stopped from walking from that fort area to go on the beach. Yeah, we met CM. CM also agreed to that, and also communicated to the ASI that access should not be blocked in any which way for the locals to walk from the fort area. That is the main access to go up to the beach.
And what about the tourists?
Tourists also will go only. But here they were trying to put some gate and all and stop the locals, so we have stopped it.
Okay.
So tourist is not there, no? Tourist is not allowed, no?
Tourist is allowed.
Sir, from so many days the government was saying that there is no transmission has been taken place. Now suddenly the government accepting that there is a transmission.
No, all this time there was no transmission. Even I was saying. So now it has happened. We have to be ready. So that is why my concern is now it has happened in Mungur Hill, which is a area where all the houses are very close by. It is like, and we also have 20-point programs, slum areas elsewhere. So precautions needs to be taken in other parts of Goa, other talukas of Goa. This is my concern.